I love this program. It's preparing me for college. I've gotten real-world business experience, and I think I'll be leaps and bounds ahead of anybody else who has not gone to a program like this. The engineering tech program gives you a wide variety of all of the types of engineering that are out there, and it gives you just a broad spectrum of what is going on in the real world. The engineering tech program is housed at BGSU Firelands, and through that I'm taking all of my academic courses through the college, getting on transcript college credit.
Being at BGSU gives you a lot more freedom. It gives you a lot of hands-on work that you might not have in the high school area. In the high school classes, mainly it's more academics, and during the college classes you're doing more along the hands-on stuff. I personally love engineering tech. It's just a lot of fun.
Engineering is a great program for me, especially because it just applies very directly to what I want to do later in life. I'm not really sure exactly which field of engineering I want to go into right now, and this great overview is just an incredibly helpful way to experience it all.
I got the experience of going to college while in high school. All of that credit was free that I earned. It really helped for me to see, do I like electromechanical engineering or any type of engineering. There's a lot that you got to experience while taking the engineering tech program.
We learn the steps from conceiving of an idea to designing it to building it, whether that's in the form of creating a 3D model and printing it out, or designing a circuit and wiring it, or designing a part of the machine and then physically machining it. It's much more rewarding than writing something down in a book or just doing something in software. You get to take it from a concept to physically doing it, and that makes it really interesting and intriguing.
In this program, you're learning a lot about CAM, CAD, and programming robots. It's helpful because if you want to be an engineer, you're going to need this stuff, and with this, you're learning more than you would anywhere else in high school.
Digital electronics is really the basis for just about every electronic device that you can think of, from iPhones to tablets to computers. And in the engineering tech program, you get to understand some of the underlying concepts that go into these digital electronics. So the engineering program as a whole is a very fun and creative hands-on learning environment. So you get a lot of really fun and interesting experiences. And then in addition to just having fun while learning, taking a step ahead through the engineering program will help you get further towards your career.
I really liked it because you get to take stuff apart, you get to learn about, how does this work? There's a lot of knowledge behind a lot of the technology that you're using, and to actually be able to look at something and say, I know how that works, or I know how to take that apart the right way and put it back together.
An excellent way that we get to use our skills that we learned through the engineering tech program is in FIRST Robotics. It's a competition that is held worldwide, and at EHOVE we have a team that meets there. And we get to apply our skills there and build amazing machines capable of doing awesome things.
In robotics, everything we do today involves robots, from working to a factory to working at NASA. We're building robots, we're building space shuttles, we're building anything to help make our lives easier.
Just about any field you can think of, there's engineers as an integral part of that field.
What really inspired me to be an engineer and take this engineering technology program was because I wanted to be a prosthetic and orthotic specialist, simply because I have a prosthetic. It helps me help other people.
There's a lot of time where I'm at my job where it's just like, I think about what I learned in high school. The last 2 years of high school with engineering tech, it really helped.
While you're making money, having fun, doing your job, you're helping to design the future.